There are some major updates in the Light It Up Pro add-on. Along with adding a lighting setup, you can also now animate the light with a bunch of preset options that I've created. All you have to do is just select your light and select the type of animation that you want to add, which is again bifurcated depending on which part of the light that animation is going to apply to. Like for example, if you want to apply an animation to the power of the light, you can just select on this and choose from all the presets that we have here. Like for example, if I want to select strobe, I can just select that and it will create an animation something like this. If I reduce the interval, this is basically what is the amount of gap that you want between the animation repetition. So if I reduce that and click on it, and you will see something like this, right? And if I make it almost to 1, it will create something like a seizure effect here. Similar to that, you can adjust the minimum power, maximum power between how the light is going to flicker. There is also checkboxes around clearing keyframes and making it cyclic. So basically, if you make it cyclic, it's just going to add a cycle modifier on your animation and just keep repeating it. If you uncheck that, then the animation will only run for the start and end frame duration that you have selected. And if you click on clear keyframes, so every time you change between these preset animations, the older animation will get deleted. If you uncheck that, then you can have multiple animations at the same time. Like for example, if I want to create a flickering effect here, and along with that I want to go and let's say I want to create an orbiting effect at the same time, right? So I can just uncheck my clear keyframes and click on orbiting effect as well. Now what's gonna happen, select the target that I want to orbit around, and then I can click on the orbiting effect, and now the light's gonna flicker along with orbiting around my object. You can stack your animation on top of each other, or you can just use one of them at a time. Some of this is also gonna come into the free version of the add-on, so look forward to it. But currently it's available on the pro version, and it's available on Gumroad and Patreon, and soon it's going to be available on Blender Marketplace as well.